All right, teens, I don't know if you've been checking your social media, but there's a new challenge out and it's called the Trick Shot Challenge. And if you haven't heard about it, don't worry, because I'm going to share it with you now. CCU is bringing it to you because we want to see if you guys are up for this challenge. So the Trick Shot Challenge is something really, really fun, and you can choose whatever it is you want to do. So in this case, I am trying to make this spoon go inside this cup. That's gonna be my trick shot. A lot of people think when something like that happens on YouTube, oh, that was a trick shot, that's not for real, they didn't do it for real. Well, we are challenging you to actually make the shot. So you can make anything in your house that you want to. I saw somebody try to put a spoon inside a dishwasher from the opposite side of the room. In this case, spoon and cup. So you may want to start with something as simple as this. Now, set up your camera, because once you get the shot, you won't be able to prove to people that you did it. So make sure you set up your camera so that you capture yourself making the shot. All right, there's a lot of lessons in something like this. First of all, setting a goal. Number 2, being persistent and sticking with it. Number 3, being patient with yourself when you don't get the shot. So I made this one earlier and I really hope it happens again because I want you guys to believe me. Oh, it's okay. It's all right if you don't, but I will still try. Here we go. I'm going to try to make the spoon inside the cup. Second time. Here we go. We can do this. Third time. I can try it. I can do it. I can do it. So I'm gonna keep trying. Meanwhile, you guys come up with your own challenge. I don't even know where that spoon went. It's on the floor. Come up with your own challenge, videotape it or take a picture. We would love for you to share what you did, or maybe you just want to post the video in the comment section. You can do that, or a picture of it. That'd be fantastic. Here we go. I'm gonna try again. Here we go. You saw it go in? It did. It went in and popped out. Okay, all right. Bye, guys. I'll see you later.